time is it? Oh shit, I forgot to make breakfast. Oh, God. Where's the butter?
Babe! Babe!
I'm in the kitchen!
Alright.
What kind of tea? Just a cup of sugar.
Morning, babe.
What's up, babe? Making breakfast.
I thought you would have had that done by now. I'm actually going to get something on the way to go.
What do you mean? It's mad early.
I know it's a little early, but I got some backed up work at the office, and then I got to take care
I
of that.
don't understand. It only takes you like 20 minutes to get to the office.
I know, babe, but
I just got up mad early to make you breakfast. Be considerate.
Baby, I am considering it, but I have stuff
You're
that I
not
have to do.
considering it if you're trying to go outside and buy food. Why waste money?
Baby, it's not about the money, and it's not about the time. I have stuff I have to do at the office.
What stuff do you have to do this early?
I have extra backed up paperwork. You know what, baby? I'll explain it when I get home. I don't have time
No, that
for this
don't make
right
sense.
now.
You never have time. What about the bills? You dead ass?
Come again, my friend?
I pay all the bills, and you never have time. You're always out. You can't just eat breakfast?
I'm always out at work to provide for the things that you want and need.
Like what? Where does that go if I'm paying all the bills? What money do you make goes here?
Any family or business function that I go to or attend to, you're always there. People know who you are. You want hair, you get hair. You want outfits, you get outfits.
Okay, and what does that have to do with me trying to make breakfast for my boyfriend in the morning?
It has to do with you not considering that I'm considering you in the long run.
You know what? It's whatever. It's whatever. You can get out. Go ahead.
Bye, babe.
Whatever. You don't have time anyway. No damn breakfast. You got time for breakfast. You eat breakfast every day for what? Matter of fact, Lola, what you doing? Hello? Girl, I'm about 2.2 from duffing this nigga. Never let him come back in the crib. I got up mad early to make him breakfast. And he had the nerve to sit there and be like, oh, I gotta go out earlier. And first of all, it was like freaking 8 o'clock. He had to be at work for like 9. It only takes him 20 minutes to get there and he wanted to that early. Tell me he's gonna buy breakfast. He ain't got money as it is. Why are you buying breakfast? No, it's getting me upset because I don't like when I have to wake myself out my sleep to think about somebody else, to try to make them something, to make them happy or smile in the morning. They just want to rush out on me every morning. Every time I try to do something, I'm done with that. Nah, he go be the boss of his little establishment, have fun at the office. I'm gonna be big boss in somewhere else. Fuck that. That's right. Thank you. What you doing later? Can you come over? Please, I'm not gonna sit here and be upset by myself. I can't. I need to talk to my bestie. Thank you. Girl, fuck is ringing my doorbell like that? The only girl who can ring my doorbell like this. What's up? Hey. Oh. I'm so happy you came. You already know. hell happened?
What happened? Fill me in.
All right. So as I already told you, he left after all that. He said he had to be at work earlier, and I know he didn't have to be at work earlier. Like, you're leaving 40 minutes ahead of time, and it only takes you 20 minutes to get to work. You have to be at work for 9, and you're leaving at 8. That don't make sense.
You think he's cheating?
I don't know what he's doing. I just don't think he's being honest. I don't think he's keeping it a buck, and I can't do that constantly and then try to make time and do things to show like you're special. You mean everything to me, and he just shits on it.
Have you spoken to him about it?
Yeah, I try to. It's not like he hears me. It's like you hear my words, but you don't feel and acknowledge what I'm saying to the point where you really feel it. Like, I don't know. I just think it goes in one ear and out the other. Like, I made him tea, his fucking favorite flavor. I don't want to be in the house.
Okay, just go then. Let's go take a walk.
Let's go. I was gonna be happy to. Still upset. I'm trying not to be, but I'm still upset.
Sexiness. Blue hair. They look so nice.
Okay.
What's this hug, no? They look so nice. Yeah, excuse me.
Can I help you?
What do you want?
Can I
I'm not
help
talking to you. I'm talking to her.
I don't talk to her.
What's up, beautiful guy?
She doesn't talk to bums.
I mean, not talk to mom. Girl, I don't say me have a
What are you
dining plan.
doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Me do it?
What are you doing?
I'm about to smoke about Marley weed. What do you want me to do?
Let's go on through it.
Sexiness. I must see her around. Look you nice.
Babe! Babe! This fucking thing. I gotta take the garbage out. She got all the nerve about fucking breakfast and don't got no fucking nerve about fucking dinner. This is some bullshit. Where the fuck is this girl at, man? But she can't be cleaning the house. Where the fuck is she? Are you in the closet? Hey!
What?
Yo! You wanna say where you been at?
You want to say where you've been at?
I've been at work since this morning. Where have you been? Like, you didn't do nothing around the house at all?
I didn't have time to.
So you had all the time in the world to argue about breakfast, but you ain't got none of the time in the world to make some dinner.
I mean, you had all the time in the world to get out before breakfast. So I didn't have time to cook shit or do shit you wanted. Because you had time to do shit I wanted.
So are you trying to say I'm supposed to get out before dinner too? I'm not understanding you. I went to work.
You couldn't appreciate breakfast, so I decided not to make you dinner. I did something for myself today because I thought about you. And you didn't care. So why would I continue to think about you when you showed you didn't care about it the first time?
So what on God's green earth were you doing that was so important?
What were you doing that was so important to be at the office?
Work!
Okay.
Where did you go?
I was working too.
Working what? Working where?
My
Working.
brain, my mind, relaxing.
I just wanted to come home to some food.
No, I wanted to make you breakfast.
Here you go, being you again. Are you gonna make something?
No. You could order something if you want. I tried, like I said, I'm not doing this anymore.
So now I have to come home and order food.
You want me to order it? Is it that bad?
Your Uber
I'm not
Eats.
cooking. I got up to cook already.
Your-
I'll order you food, but I'm not cooking. I'm not putting in manual labor after I did it this morning and you couldn't freaking acknowledge it, accept it, like it, nothing. No. No, it don't go your way all the time.
I came from work to try and eat. If you knew you were gonna be out, you could have let me know.
No, and if you knew you were gonna come be here and leave early, you could have let me know that before I got up and made you breakfast.
I let you know when I got up.
No, you didn't. No.
So I'm supposed to be Miss Cleo, read a card, and know you'll get up early to surprise me with breakfast?
How did you know that you had to go to work earlier?
I had leftover paperwork.
So you could have told me that from last night.
I mentioned it when I got home.
You didn't. You just said you mentioned it when you got up.
I retold you this morning.
Okay, Hippo.
Are you gonna cook or not?
Like I said, I'll order food. I'm not putting in labor again.
Cool, I'll just do it myself. This is like so useless.
Like, that's okay. I don't know.
Where are you going?
Don't worry about it.
What the fuck do you mean don't worry
Don't
about
worry
it?
about it.
Where are you going?
Don't worry about it. I can't ask you where you go. You don't got time?
You ask me every day where I
I
go.
don't care.
You don't ever fucking care about anything. Selfish bitch, man.
Oh shit! The girl from earlier on. Excuse me. How you doing? Why you looking so mad? What happened?
Yo, I don't got time for this.
What happened now? Like, damn, you're looking nice, like, coming out here. Beautiful girl like you have a... Why you have that serious smile? You're very beautiful.
Thank you, but I'm not feeling it today.
Like,
Today's
put a
not my
smile on
day.
your face. Don't worry. What happened? You wanna walk? Let's walk and talk. What happened? What happened? Like...
I'm having
what?
issues.
Nigga issues? Like, damn, a girl like you have nigga issues? Like, what? Look at you.
I hold it down, trust me. It's just, it's
Damn.
probably
Girl, you caught my eye just to look at you. Like, damn. Like, nigga issues for you? Like, hell. Well, what's your name though? Bree? Wow, that's a nice name. Match your face, match your dressing and all that. I'm like, damn, you see? When you smile, you have a beautiful smile. Look at that. You're very beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Something? Let's get your number.
I left it inside, but take my number down again.
Sure. You gonna text me when you get it though?
I will.
Alright.
What's your name again?
You call me Yardy.
Yardy.
Yeah. Alright, put your number in, please. Alright, thank you. Alright, just make sure you just deal with him good, alright? I know. Damn, shit. I'm texting you right now.
Alright, I'll
Shit.
I'm really tired of being so closed off and not allowing myself to have a chance. You know what? I'm gonna talk to him. Oh, fuck, son. I need to open my mind up. Bitch. Look at the light. I'm gonna text him. He's right. I ain't got time to sit there and be so sheltered. Don't close yourself off, girl. Talk to him. Text him. Babe. Hey, babe.
What?
Sorry.
I'm sorry. But listen, do me a favor. Before you even start, stop. I
Are
don't
you
want to be bothered.
serious?
Listen.
I'm sorry. I was mad about the breakfast earlier, and I honestly it hurt my feelings.
That sounds like good talk. You could have talked good before. I really don't want to be
You want
bothered.
to do nothing?
Do what? Like, I wanted to do dinner and you wanted to do arguments. Go away. Like,
Can I?
listen, I don't want to fuck. You can fuck yourself today. I don't want no parts. Always do this shit when you fucking start.
You did text me. Hello? Hello? Yeah, just, can you come meet up with me again? Are you around? I gotta get out the house. Alright. Alright. I'll put on my shoes.
Hello?
Yeah, where you at?
I just came out the back. Where you at?
I'm pulling up.
Yeah, I think I see you now.
Alright.
I think I saw you though.
I think I see you.
Alright, come across. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Why you looking like that?
He did it again.
For real? Like, damn. Like, whew. A nice girl like you.
Just offered to ride this nigga's dick. And he pushed me off.
For real?
He pushed
Like,
me off
dang,
and
girl.
said, fuck myself.
I would never do that to you. Like, damn. You're very beautiful. Like, look at you looking sexy. Like, damn.
Safety first.
Where you trying to go?
Anywhere.
Damn.
Honestly.
For
Anywhere.
real? Like, damn.
But don't kill me.
Nah.
Somewhere.
I wouldn't do that to you, you know? Nah, I just want you to relax too. You know what I'm saying?
You got roll up?
Yeah, you know we got that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know.
Because I need that.
Don't worry yourself. Like, I'm getting tired, stressed though. I have something to release stress too.
Like what?
Like, yo, you know your man not doing the job I could do though. Like, he not trying to have sex with you. Like, yo, you know, could make you feel like a woman should feel, you know?
That kind of girl, but
Like, yo, you know you're horny. Like, yo, you just tell me that you try to have sex with him and you don't want to have sex with you. Like, come on.
keep it a buck. I know I'm horny, but
You're not outside. Like, yo, you never know. You
I don't
know?
know why he's pushing me to this point.
Like, damn, like, look at you. Like, look at your hair. Like, wow. Like, yo, yeah, looking
You
nice.
confident to just be touching me.
I'm like, yeah, look, I can't get my hands off you. Look at you, beautiful. Like, damn.
I'm not gonna stop you no more.
You know what I'm
I'm not gonna stop.
Well, yeah, I like that though. Damn. You know? Yeah.
Alright, where we going?
Girl, right now I just want to park up and just have fun with you. Like, I didn't even know. Like,
Let me roll up first.
you didn't even know. Like, yeah. Like, damn. I don't know. Wow. Okay. Girl, I'll come over there right now. Like, you know? Like, you know it go, baby girl.